The XT808 drone is a compact and versatile drone, perfect for both amateur and professional drone enthusiasts. Equipped with a 4K camera and 5G optical flow positioning, the XT808 ensures you capture crystal clear aerial footage with incredible stability. Its Servo gimbal and EIS electronic image stabilization enhance the clarity of your shots, even in challenging conditions, making it a perfect choice for aerial photography and videography. This drone comes with an impressive 4.5-inch HD display screen on the remote control, offering a smooth, lossless live feed. The GPS precise positioning system provides one-click return, no signal return, and low-power return, ensuring that you can safely and easily retrieve the drone if needed. Powered by a 7.4V 1300 mAh lithium battery, the XT808 offers up to 25 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of time to explore and capture stunning visuals. The drone's lightweight design, weighing only 227 grams, eliminates the need for registration or certification in many countries, making it a hassle-free option for beginners and hobbyists. The XT808 is equipped with advanced features, including intelligent tracking, gesture photography, and surround flight, allowing you to capture unique perspectives effortlessly. It also features optical flow positioning and a brushless motor, providing smooth and stable flight, even in windy conditions. Key features of the XT808 drone: 4K HD camera, captures high-resolution photos and videos with a wide-angle lens and optical flow positioning. 5G Optical Flow GPS provides precise navigation, including one-click return, low-power return, and no-signal return. Servo Gimbal stabilizes the camera for clearer and smoother shots. 25-minute flight time, powered by a 7.4V 1300 mAh lithium battery for extended flying sessions. Lightweight design, at just 227 grams, this drone doesn't require certification or registration in most countries. GPS and optical flow automatically switches between GPS and optical flow for reliable flight stability. Gesture control, capture photos and videos with simple hand gestures, within 1 to 3 range. Brushless motors offer stronger power and longer lifespan. Intelligent flight modes includes intelligent tracking, surround flight, and automatic route planning. Real-time map positioning offers out-of-control map planning for accurate navigation. Package includes XT808 drone, remote control with built-in screen, 7.4V 1300 mAh battery, 8 fan blades, 2 USB cables, screwdriver, 2 user manuals. Whether you're capturing stunning aerial shots, filming adventurous outdoor activities, or simply enjoying the thrill of flight, the XT808 drone is the perfect tool to bring your creative ideas to life. With its professional-grade camera, intelligent flight modes, and long flight time, the XT808 is designed to give you the best drone experience at an affordable price. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more exciting drone reviews, tips, and unboxings.